Hello everyone, it's time for another Sketchbox opening. So this is the box here. This is the art on the top there. I slid open the tape, but this is my first look right now. So let me see if I can just get everything out. Toss that aside. That aside, and we have the menu card here. Let's put it just up a little, and then here, ooh, that's interesting. Here's a little art postcard. Cute llama. I love the colors. Catherine McPhee. I'm not going to read that because, well, just set that aside. So then there's the sticker. Oh, it's cute. And I think that is meant to be a pastel. These are oil pastels. Interesting. I think I've used, the kid kind. But I haven't really done much with it, so that's great because that's kind of the idea with the box, is that I get to try different things and also do more art than I would be doing. Because I kind of need the motivation. I don't know. I find too many other things to do. So what do we have here? Let's go ahead and start with the Holbein Oil Pastels. Actually, you know what? I take that back. I'm going to look at the substrate. Don't break these. This is really cool. So these are Frederick's Canton canvas panels. 4x8 inch, 3-piece. They're primed. And you know what? I'm not going to open them right now because I'm so afraid of ruining things. There's 3 of them, but I want to try the supplies out first. And this is a little out of frame here, but on just, what is this here? Canton XL mixed media. So not the greatest substrate for these things. Probably not even good for it, but a good way just to feel them first, and then maybe I'll try them on there. So let's go ahead and go in. These look pretty fancy. $5.75 each. Holbein Oil Pastels in white, Indian red, oxide of olive. How do I get it open? Is this important? This might be important. It has the name on it, so I'm just going to put it back there. It says made in Japan. I'm kind of nervous. Does it tell? I mean, oh, does it show? Great. Not that I usually know what I'm doing anyway, but this is really different. So, that is the Indian red. Then we have the white here. Let's see if I can, oops. That's the white, and I'm just going to do, a little bit, because this was the top. Ah, I didn't need the razor blade for that one. And oxide of olive. Not even sure what you're supposed to use to mix them. Or blend them, rather. And I've gone and covered up all of this. This is... And then we have some Sennelier oil pastels, English gray and coral. English gray? Is that this? It is. It looks blue, but it says English gray, so let's do this one right here. English gray looks very blue to me. What do you think? And then coral. Ooh, that's a really pretty color. Then we have a Derwent Light Fast colored pencil. Oh, that's just a colored pencil. In wild lavender. Derwent Wild Lavender. Feels nice and smooth. Caran Pablo pencil in charcoal gray. Permanent color. It's an oil-based colored pencil. Is this... Okay, this Derwent one is also an oil-based colored pencil. I think They have a very, very small collection of some oil-based colored pencils, but I'm not even sure about that. I have Prismacolor. I think they're wax-based. So this, let's do this guy right here. Caran d'Ache. Charcoal gray. Oops. And finally, there is a Sketchbox Color Shaper. It says, use this tool to carve into the oil pastels, create textural effects, or blend colors. Hey, that's cool. So, let me see if you can see that better. So let's see if we can... Wonder what it's made out of. It doesn't say. Oh well. Beautiful colors. See how this is kind of blending. Now what does it mean by... Boy, I might have to like read up on some of these to figure out how to use them. Carve. Ooh, some grass effects maybe? Oh, that's kind of fun. I hope I'm not ruining this tool. It's a retail price of $8, so this would make, yeah, great grass. This looks like some good sky. Let me clean that off there. I see a field of wildflowers maybe. Might be fun to do with this. Although the lavender is not a pastel, this one is the colored pencil. Well, I suppose that's about as far as I can get right now before learning how to do something with oil pastels. So this is fun, and this should stretch my creative thinking. I hope you enjoyed seeing me open the box today. Okay, so on this substrate here, I used a little gesso because I did some sampling of the oil pastels here in the corner, but it just wasn't going on very well, and so I put a little clear gesso on and let it dry and sanded it a bit. I don't know if that's the right thing to do or not, but that was my attempt to get this substrate to work better with the oil pastels. And I'm going to speed up the footage here showing what I do with this, but I have to say I was really disappointed with these panels. I'll probably use the other two for acrylic painting and not with these oil pastels. I really struggled with how it was laying down, and I don't know, I've not used this medium before, and I'm thinking this is not really the medium for me. It's been described as not a detail medium, so I struggle with that because I kind of love the details. But yeah, I'm adding this footage because I did it, and let me know what you think. And I'm going to sketch out I went with the kind of vintage peony that I had done on the far left of the sketchbook there. And I'm using my Prismacolor white pencil just to kind of sketch it out. It is, wax-based pencil, but it seemed to lay down nice and light, and then I'm going to go in with the charcoal pencil for the areas that are going to be green, darker. Come in with the green oil pastel, lay down a lot of color. I did find that the color shaper included in the box it really took away color more than blending it, so I didn't like using that. But I do have these, you'll see me using this rubber or silicone tipped tool. That's actually a nail art tool, and I bought it to use on my gel plate, but it worked really well for blending because I don't really like to get messy. I did use my finger some, but yeah, I didn't like that, so it is what it is. This was not my favorite medium to use. Maybe I'll try it in some mixed media, who knows. But yeah, that was my experience, and I hope that you enjoy seeing that, and let me know what your thoughts are. If you got the box, what do you think? Do you like oil pastel? Maybe some tips, some tricks, yeah. And you'll see, yeah, I really wanted to be able to get more detail on there, but not a detail medium. Good luck with that. that is what I have, and sorry about my head popping in. So that's what we got there. Thanks for watching. Bye!